Got the GoPro. All right. I don't know what the fuck we're doing. Pulling a transmission. Mine's on the bumper over there. So we're pulling the trans on the STI because it's going to go out for paint soon. It's getting shipped all the way to Pennsylvania to go to, what's it called? Kroll Customs? Kroll's Customs? Kroll? I don't know.
So what body are you putting on it?
Voltax, right? Yeah. So we're going to get underneath here. Got to pull the drive shaft, the exhaust, drop the trans out. We're going to use that little wooden dolly over there. And hopefully it's easy. You know, famous last words. Ed's not here though, so we should be good to go. Ed's usually the cause of the problems.
Warranty and lifetime warranty on the batteries.
Hey! Alright, battery died for a second. Sean, Master Tech, underneath the car, doing some work. We're probably just going to pull the trans out the top, so Chris and I are going to have to get into this engine bay somehow.
See, I knew I'd be useful today. I just got to pick something up. That's all I got to do.
Yeah, got them muscles, boy. Got them muscles, boy. So I'm probably going to blow my back out because that happens every single time I work with Ricky's.
I'll blow your back out.
Ricky always blows my back out. That's basically what happens. Every single time I come over here, my back gets fucked up. So I'm getting old. How's it coming down there, big boy?
It's going.
It's going. All right, well, my battery's going to die again, so I'm going to keep the video short. But we'll be getting this bitch out shortly.
Remember, I'm handing back my rifle. Hey, bro, it's not clean.
Great success. We got it out. Transmission.
All right, pick up the car. We pull the transmission out.
Yeah, Chris bench pressed the car. We got the trans out. Pain in the ass. 6 speeds are heavy as fuck.
Y'all should have saw it.
It's a lot heavier than the 5-speed.
Yeah, we got gear oil all over us. Sean bathing in gear oil. I got gear oil over me too.
I'm telling you, bro, that's CLP.
That's CLP, according to Chris.
So gear oil is what the Marine Corps gives us and calls it something else to clean our weapons with. Realistically, they're just being cheap and buying gear oil and got it all over.
We got some AC Delco gear oil.
Bro, I know that. Like I was saying, the second I started draining, I was like, I know that smell.
But yeah, that's like all the gear oil coming out of the slip yoke on the back of the trans. It's a lot. And that's what? Motul? Motul gear oil?
At least the Marine Corps is giving us the good shit.
Yeah, that's good.
Actually,
That
this smells better than the shit they give.
Good. And what's the plan here? You're gonna wire wheel this and paint it?
Wire wheel and paint it to match
the gray. Sounds like a good time.
I'm gonna buy it.
That actually wasn't that hard to take out. Really, like all things considered.
No, it wasn't that bad.
If we didn't stop to eat.
Yeah, we stopped to eat and bullshit and drink, so realistically it was like 2 hours. We got it back here around like 10ish.
Well, I'll still pull the shifter and drop it out.
Yeah.
Take the starter out. Just looks like some weird. It's like sandwiched into a different bracket. Over here. So it's behind the starter.
I don't know. Subarus don't make any fucking sense.
Cars don't make any fucking sense.
But mainly Subarus.
I do want to like eventually roll it out and wash it.
Yeah, you should before it goes. Yeah, it's filthy.
Like, this is just like,
Car's been sitting forever. Look at this shit.
Super dusty. I want to like clean it up at least a little bit.
Fucking drive shaft sitting on the floor back here. What is there, like Coca-Cola spilled all over the fucking wing?
No, looks like Coca-Cola.
It looked like Coca-Cola. It looked like Coca-Cola. Yeah, it's true.
Subarus and the BMW.
It's true. Sick.
Did you ever watch the video of the guy like tearing apart a Supra? He's like, I want to find how many Toyota parts are on it, how many BMW parts are on it. He's like
mishmash.
Fucking piles back and forth. It's like 80% BMW.
All right, well,
Only reason why
successful day.
The only reason people are so mad.
Needs to clean his fucking garage. Got the cars parked out here. Supra, Sean's RS, and the SS. SS is gonna be going soon. Gonna be getting another truck. Probably gonna get a Gladiator, but I'm gonna look for the diesel. Gonna throw some nice wheels and tires on it, little leveling kit, maybe a lift. And then get to work on the 80 Vet finally, because that thing's been sitting in storage for, I don't know, 13 years, maybe more. 17 years, probably 10 years at the current place. So it's been in storage for a long time. It's time to get going on that. So probably gonna do some sort of an LS swap, maybe LS3, LS2, whatever we end up doing. 4L80 and getting that thing up and running finally. So that'll be the next project. Gonna have a nice series about that for the next year, most likely. But it's cold as fuck in Vegas. Temperature finally dropped. It's winter. Gonna have to get a heater in the garage. But winter projects are coming. Ricky's car's gonna be going soon, and then we're gonna be working more on that. And I'll let you guys know when the SS is up for sale. If you're interested, let me know.